Welcome to Memory Boost, an 8-week mindfulness meditation series, which will leverage your bodily state to improve your memory. My name is Lauren Ekstrom. I'm the co-founder of Inner Dimension TV and a certified mindfulness meditation teacher. This series was designed based off of the latest scientific research out of Dr. Wendy Suzuki's lab at New York University. Dr. Wendy Suzuki's lab has demonstrated that a daily 10 to 12 minute body scan meditation done for 7 days a week over the course of 8 weeks leads to significant decreases in the stress response, improved mood, and increased cognitive performance. Memory loss often occurs based on stress levels. You don't retain as much information as when you're under a great deal of stress. So learning how to care for yourself and manage your stress is key, which is why the combination of exercise, sleep, and meditation is so impactful on your long-term cognitive function. So taking care of your body is essential to caring for your mind. When you exercise, she says it gives your brain a bubble bath of critical chemicals, and your body vitality leads to your brain vitality. We'll start slow and we'll build from there. The same way we would build a muscle in your body, this is how we will build your cognitive muscle, mindfully over time. Your first week is a simple 3-minute meditation. From there, we will build each week to 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, and eventually 12 minutes before slowly scaling back down again. So with that, let's begin.